my name's Alex Cecilio. I'm a graphic artist, and I'm going to show you how to clean up an illustration in Illustrator. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open your drawing in Illustrator. So when your drawing pops up on the screen, you're going to want to click it, and the cool part about Illustrator is it can live trace for you, which just means that it follows your drawing and it'll basically remake your drawing for you with its tools. So the tool that I have selected is just the default live trace, and this gives you a really nice sharp and clean line, and I personally really like that. But if you're not into that whole vectory kind of line weight thing, that's no problem. You can select a whole different option. Sometimes I like to pick detailed illustration, because in this particular illustration it is detailed, but it's not as detailed as it could get. So it basically will simplify your design for you. And so there's really a whole series of options you can pick. I like inked drawing a lot, and it gives you, it's like a way cleaner just look to it. And like I said, there's a whole bunch of different methods of doing it, and that's how you create a cleaned up illustration in Illustrator. My name's Alex Cecilio. Thank you very much.